Fish.
Fish.
Example. The fish swims fast.
The fish swims fast.
Dog.
Dog.
Example. The dog can bark.
The dog can bark.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Example. The sheep has wool.
The sheep has wool.
Tiger.
Tiger.
Example. The tiger has stripes.
The tiger has stripes.
Mouse.
Mouse.
Example. The mouse is small.
The mouse is small.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Example. The zebra has black stripes.
The zebra has black stripes.
Wolf.
Wolf.
Example. The wolf howls at night.
The wolf howls at night.
Whale.
Whale.
Example. The whale is very big.
The whale is very big.
Fox.
Fox.
Example. The fox is sly.
The fox is sly.
Seal.
Seal.
Example. The seal claps.
The seal claps.
Snake.
Snake.
Example. The snake can hiss.
The snake can hiss.
Ant.
Ant.
Example. The ant is very small.
The ant is very small.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Example. The elephant cannot jump.
The elephant cannot jump.
Deer.
Deer.
Example. The deer runs in the woods.
The deer runs in the woods.
Spider.
Spider.
Example. The spider spins a web.
The spider spins a web.
Snail.
Snail.
Example. The snail is very slow.
The snail is very slow.
Turkey.
Turkey.
Example. The turkey says gobble.
The turkey says gobble.
Owl.
Owl.
Example. The owl says hoot.
The owl says hoot.
Panda.
Panda.
Example. The panda eats bamboo.
The panda eats bamboo.
Crocodile.
Crocodile.
Example. The crocodile has sharp teeth.
The crocodile has sharp teeth.
Starfish.
Starfish.
Example. The starfish has arms.
The starfish has arms.
Seahorse.
Seahorse.
Example. The seahorse swims upright.
The seahorse swims upright.
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper.
Example. The grasshopper can jump.
The grasshopper can jump.
Turtle.
Turtle.
Example. The turtle moves slow.
The turtle moves slow.
Lizard.
Lizard.
Example. The lizard likes sun.
The lizard likes sun.
Sparrow.
Sparrow.
Example. The sparrow is a small bird.
The sparrow is a small bird.
Penguin.
Penguin.
Example. The penguin can swim.
The penguin can swim.
Duckling.
Duckling.
Example. The duckling is little.
The duckling is little.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Example. The bunny has long ears.
The bunny has long ears.
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Example. The squirrel eats nuts.
The squirrel eats nuts.